Medicare certainly provides excellent coverage, but there are definitely some gaps, namely things like vision, hearing, and possibly most importantly, dental. Hi there, my name is Sarah and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to talk about dental insurance options for seniors. Hey there and welcome to our channel. At iHealthBrokers, we are licensed health insurance brokers and we are licensed nationwide with over 200 carriers. So if you have any questions whatsoever about dental insurance or about anything health insurance related, please feel free to just leave us a question in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. You can also reach us here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344, and there is no charge for our services and you're not pressured into buying any type of plan. We really are here to help, and that's why we release these videos on a weekly basis. These videos are designed to educate and inform people about some of the more confusing parts of Medicare and health insurance in general. Now today we're going to be talking about dental insurance. There are definitely some great options out there for seniors, but it's important that you stay informed. That way you make sure that you're enrolling in the right plan for you. All right, let's dive in. So if you're over 65, the first option that you can pursue is a Medicare Advantage plan, also known as Medicare Part C. So original Medicare really does provide excellent coverage. That's Medicare Part A and Medicare Part B. It'll cover most of your healthcare needs, but not dental. Also, Medicare supplement plans do not cover dental. So really, if you're looking for a Medicare type of solution, then your best bet is Medicare Advantage. Medicare Advantage, or Medicare Part C, replaces original Medicare entirely. So it encapsulates the benefits of Medicare Part A, which is your hospital insurance, Medicare Part B, which is your outpatient insurance, very often Medicare Part D, which is prescription drug coverage, and then usually it'll offer other benefits as well, like vision, hearing, wellness, and dental. Now, if it sounds too good to be true, it may be. So let's break down some of the positives and negatives of Medicare Advantage plans. So for the positives, it's definitely convenient. Having one plan that encapsulates so many benefits is certainly convenient. Less payments and less cards to keep track of. Also, the cost is definitely a major positive. Medicare Advantage plans can offer major cost-saving benefits. They're usually cheaper than Medicare plus a Medicare supplement plan plus a dental plan. But there are some negatives. Now, there are limited options with Medicare Advantage plans. It can be much harder to find a good PPO plan or a dentist on your plan that you like. And then Medicare Advantage plans in general can be prohibitive. In some places, you may have to travel to find a doctor or a hospital that accepts your plan. So even if you have good dental coverage with your plan, you absolutely don't want to sacrifice your health insurance. So I mentioned that Medicare Advantage plans can be a little bit prohibitive as far as your location. So first, if you're interested in a Medicare Advantage plan, it's really important that you make sure that that plan meets your healthcare needs first and above all. Now you can check out all the plans available to you on Medicare.gov, that's Medicare.gov, or you can call us here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. Medicare Advantage plans are offered by private carriers, so the benefits can vary widely, which definitely makes it a little bit trickier to comparison shop. Now, if you are interested in a Medicare Advantage plan, you can enroll during the annual enrollment period, and that's every year at the same time from October 15th to December 7th. But really make sure that this is the plan that best suits your needs, because you're going to be stuck with that plan until the next annual enrollment period. Another option is private dental insurance. Now, unlike private health insurance, private dental insurance is actually pretty darn inexpensive. Most plans will run you somewhere between $15 and $50 per month, which is not bad. Also, with private dental insurance, you have many different options to choose from, and more flexibility equals better choices and more cost savings. You have a couple of different options to choose from. You could try a PPO, a DHMO, or an indemnity plan. PPOs and DHMOs dental health maintenance organizations work very, very similarly to their health insurance counterparts. So a DHMO is going to have a much lower monthly premium. However, you're only going to receive coverage if you see an in-network dentist. So if you go out of network, there's no coverage. But there is a benefit there. There's another cost-saving benefit, and that's with DHMOs, you have co-pays, not co-insurance like with PPOs, which we'll talk about momentarily. So you have a co-pay for any given service, and that's set so you know exactly what your costs are going to be up front. It certainly makes it much more cost-friendly. Now, like I said before, with a DHMO, you have to see an in-network dentist, and you have to have a preferred dentist that you see on a regular basis. Just like with an HMO, you have to have a preferred physician, that PCP. And that dentist must coordinate any visits with specialists or anything else that you may need. Now, I do want to mention that with DHMOs, some people do report dissatisfaction with their dentist. And that's because DHMO in-network dentists have to see a certain amount of patients. So some patients do feel a little bit rushed through their appointments. Now, that's not to say that everybody has this experience. Obviously, some people love their in-network dentist, but you need to have all of the facts. Also with DHMOs, you may have a deductible that you need to meet before your insurance kicks in. Generally speaking, with PPOs, you're going to have a higher monthly premium, but much more flexibility. You'll have coverage whether you see an in-network dentist or an out-of-network dentist. You'll just have more coverage with an in-network dentist. And most PPOs work on a 180-50 split. That is to say 100% of the costs of preventative services are covered, 80% of the costs of basic services are covered, and 50% of the costs of major services are covered. Now, notice we're talking about percentages when we talk about coinsurance, not set copays. And dentists do choose to charge different amounts for their services. And that can vary widely from county to county. For example, a root canal of a molar can range somewhere between $500 to $2,000. So the amount that you are going to be responsible for depends upon how much your dentist charges. So feel free to ask that up front, and if it's more than you're comfortable with, you can get a second opinion because you do have more flexibility with a PPO with regards to the dentist that you choose. Also, on the negative side, PPOs do tend to have a cap. Most of them will only pay for $1,000 to $2,000 worth of services, and then you'll be responsible for any amount above that. So if you've got a lot of major services coming up, you may surpass that cap and be on your own for a pretty large bill. Luckily, most PPOs don't count preventative services towards that cap. Also, like DHMOs, most PPOs have a deductible that you need to work towards before your insurance kicks in. Finally, there are indemnity plans, also known as fee-for-service plans. Now, these offer the ultimate flexibility in the dentists and specialists that you see, as well as the coverage provided. So they're going to have higher monthly premiums and higher deductibles that you have to meet before your insurance kicks in. However, on the flip side, they also have much higher annual caps. So that's to say the amount that your insurance will pay before you're on your own. So if you've got major extensive work coming up and some big bills headed your way, then perhaps this is a plan for you. One more thing that I do want to mention though, with indemnity plans, generally speaking, you have to pay up front and then be reimbursed by your insurance company, which can be a bit of a headache. Okay, there are a couple more options that I want to discuss. The first is a dental savings plan, also known as a discount dental plan. It's not actually insurance per se, but it's definitely a way for you to keep your dental costs down. Now, with a discount dental plan, if your dentist accepts it, then they'll offer you their services at a drastically reduced rate. However, with these type of plans, your network of dentists is going to be extremely limited, so you've got to be very flexible in the dentist that you choose. Now, if you're enrolling in Medicare, but let's say your spouse isn't, you could elect to join their dental plan if they receive dental insurance through an employer or elsewhere. Whatever route you choose, please make sure that the plan that you're interested in is right for your needs. As we get older, our dental needs can definitely change, and perhaps you have more extensive major services coming up, or you might need dentures or implants or anything like that. It's really important to think ahead and make sure that the plan that you're interested in is best suited to your needs. If you have any questions, you can reach us here at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344, or just leave a comment below, as I said earlier, and we'll be happy to help. If you liked this video, please make sure to like and click subscribe as well to stay up to date on all things Medicare and health insurance and dental insurance. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.